we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of RENDGO heat press machine. That's include advanced upsliding dual Platen heat press machine, experience high efficiency printing with our dual Platen, upsliding pneumatic heat press machine to get flawless transfers every time. This 16x 24-inch heat press machine from RENDGO is ready to bring your artistic vision to life for gifts or commercial applications. Digital control and automation. RENDGO high-accuracy automatic heat press boasts a big LCD display with integrated controls for temperature, time, and counter settings to streamline your printing process. Also signal indication when press process is completed. High-efficiency precision infrared positioning. Heat press machine pressure can be adjusted up to 0.8 MPa. It adopts connected track which is stable and convenient for sliding. With high efficiency, match flawless alignment every time thanks to the infrared laser positioning system, a unique feature in this professional-grade 16x24 heat press. Versatile printing capabilities. Our heat transfer machine's control box offers precise temperature settings up to 570 degrees Fahrenheit and timer settings up to 999 seconds so you can get superior transfers to various materials including fabric, ceramic, and other mediums. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe. Press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.